Thank you, Alan. Time now 6:31. Right now, stage 1 fire restrictions, they're in effect in all of unincorporated El Paso County until further notice from the county. That means no open burning, no outdoor smoking, no welding or using something with a torch except in an area cleared of vegetation, and no fireworks. This is new overnight. Fire crews in Yuma County, they contained multiple wildfires. This is in the northeast part of our state, and right now one fire is still burning near Eckley, and we're told it's about 40,000 acres. Here's a look at what the fires looked like yesterday. Joshua Bumgardner shared this video with Scripps News Group in Denver. Just look at those flames. We're told the fires, they were sparked by power lines that were knocked down by strong winds. This area is no stranger to large wildfires. In 2012, a 24,000 acre wildfire destroyed 2 homes and injured 3 firefighters.